Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Welcome to the membership. This is a chapter, or maybe I'm just going to do so many clips just to help you guys, especially you guys as members. Thank you for joining my channel. I hope maybe you saw something, and I'm willing to help you to see that actually you did not waste your time. You see, so what I'm going to talk about here is why a profitable mindset matters. Why you should have that, because that is everything that is going to make you to win in the market, because the market doesn't play games. I hope you know that. So a trader with a mindset, guys, with a profitable mindset will make confident and balanced trading decisions, because sometimes if you don't understand what you are doing, that confidence is just going to go down, right? It's going to go down, and you know what? You're going to do the opposite. Instead of doing the right or taking the right decisions, you're going to take the opposite, which means you're going to lose. And this actually is going to lead you to fearful trading. So when you are fearful, mostly if you are in profit, you get out early. Sometimes you enter early, or you get out early, or you enter late, or maybe the fear of missing out, which is something that I want to try to help you. And maybe from there, maybe you can improve your trading so that maybe you can start to make money. That's the whole point, right? You can start to make money. So another thing, because why a profitable mindset matters is that is going to boost your confidence. It's going to give you like extra. Actually, you're going to start to trust yourself, you trust your decisions. So that is something that every trader wants. But mostly when you're still new, that those things, they are absent. Mostly they're absent. Why? Because maybe you are not used to the game, or maybe you've been trading but you never tried to improve from that. Actually, this whatever that I'm talking about here, we can just call this a trading psychology or your emotions, because we need to shake a little bit of your emotions so that you can be aware that, oh, I'm doing something wrong. Because if there's now no one who's telling you that you're doing something wrong, who is going to tell you that? Mostly we'll just see that you just blew the account, but no one is telling you that, man, can you change this? Can you change that? Because those things are the things that make or maybe waste your time. So let's say go straight to the next topic, which we still under the profitable mindset. So all those things, if you're going to do the opposite, actually you're going to follow this. Other negative trading mindset that cause poor trading reactions include greedy. Greedy, you see people in the market, they open like multiple positions. Guys, when you have multiple positions at once, you just know that once you get into that negative, it just goes crazy. It just goes crazy, and no one likes that, right? So a greedy trader who takes profit too early. I think I covered this already. If you are a greedy trader, let's say you open with multiple lot sizes, you just close. Once they get into those, maybe let's say you make $200, which is not bad, you just close too early. Once you close, the market just, it's like the market is looking at you, and the market doesn't know anything. The market just try to shoot in your favor, and you're lost. Actually, even if you did not lose the actual money, but actually you were supposed to make maybe 10 times that, you see. But those are controlled by your emotions. You don't really see that, but you need to improve from that. So another thing is emotionally hopeful trader who exit too late. This one, it's because when we are traders, mostly we have these goals. We want to reach somewhere. We want to buy something. So we have this money goals, and these money goals, they make us to get greedy or emotionally, because maybe you want to reach $500, maybe just because you lost last week, or maybe just because you want to buy something, or maybe that you want to be like someone else. So when the market is paying you, like let's say maybe you are in a 350 positive, like profit, your mind is telling you that, you know what, I need to get out at 500 because you want to buy that thing. Maybe it's a cell phone, maybe you want to cover something. Then that the market doesn't listen to something like that. So which means now you're forcing the market to do the things that you want, and you end up losing. The market will end up maybe bouncing back if maybe you were selling. I mean, if you were buying, maybe the market will just drop again, and sometimes you end up losing, or maybe you close with the very, very smallest profit. But when we check, you were in a very nice profit. And your mind, when you react like this, you no longer even see the resistant area that, oh, around this area, the market is going to reject. You don't see that because your mind is telling you that I need to reach there. You see. Another thing is impatient trader who exit too soon or maybe too late is quite similar to that. So on this one is on too soon is when you exit too soon is you maybe let's say last week maybe you lost something, or maybe yesterday you lost something. You no longer want to lose, but you still want to trade. So once the market, you can even, sometimes people they can open with the biggest lot size, but once they reach that $20, instead of them making or deserving that $200 or whatever the market is going to give them, they start to panic, they start to go up and down, they end up closing too early, which is something that is not really good, because it means now once you go back, you're now risking, because the market is no longer at the same place. The market moved from the support or maybe moved from the resistance. When you enter the market in the middle or on the middle, then which means the market might just turn anywhere. Why? Because you got out early. You were in the right spot. Few hours later, the market, it was in your favor, maybe 1,000 pips or 500 ticks if you trade Nasdaq. Then you start to go greedy. On the next trade, you're going to go greedy. Why? Because you entered early. But all these things that I'm talking about here, there is something that causes these things, and we need to deal with that. You see, this is not everything, guys. Today, I just wanted to say, maybe to start with this small videos that is going to help you. Today, the topic for today is why a profitable mindset matters. Then I will continue until everything makes sense, until you learn something from this. I hope you're going to watch these videos because I'm doing this for you. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex Bow.